Well, this I think this storm is not as bad as like few days ago, and I think they have some changes. So I don't know. Well, this start already. There's rain today, and they have like strong rain. Earlier now it's like it kind of like slowing down a little bit. So here we go. So I don't know. We'll see. I try to cover what I can cover today about this hurricane. Anyway, I think it's not hurricane anymore. It's a tropical depression. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Because the weather is kind of changing a little bit. All right. Bag is ready. I'm staying at the Wyndham today. As per my boss. So well, I've ready everything. I have some water. Everything is packed. I have some flashlight inside too. Extra charger just in case, it's raining. And again, what I say is like, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology. Now I can take any of those mixed drinks in the bar because our bar is closed right now. I don't know, until further notice, then that bar is gonna be open back again. So I'm sure there's a lot of guys that are waiting for the resort to open up so that can stay. So we'll see. All right, cool. Let's check with Mario and Philip. I think they just staying here tonight, so we'll make him a surprise because I'm waiting for the other gentleman. His name is Gopi, and he's still not yet outside. So we'll see what they're doing. Hey. Away.
Uy!
Kuha na ba?
Nag-vlog
Away.
naman. Pupunta na
At sa resort ba? Ikaw, di mo mukha nito?
Ikaw lang dito.
Higdaw, pag idea ba? Kay, kuha di ba? Worldwide di ba?
Naka-subscribe na ko sa imong kwan channel.
That's Uncle Bill ba? Hello. Bye. Tantaw diri ba? Kay,
Pilo, ako sa mga labahan ako bayo. Kaya naglaban ako gapon o sa bagyo. Lagi?
Ako gihulat si Gopi ba? Wa pa man?
Ano naman?
Kami daw mo puyo dito niya ba?
Oo.
Oh.
Di ko ito kay... Mas may diriya kay... Kuhan-kuhan naman, mag-herky na. Di, tago-tago lang yung kuya ni.
Di man hurricane, tropical storm.
Tropical storm.
Tropical storm lang ba? Pero di ta magkumpiyansa ba? Kay wata kabalo.
Ha?
Ano ang klak?
Agipunduhan ako no.
Gipundahan niya dire. Mura din, nipalit kag coke sa silingan, ponduhera ng kon, 2 pesos, ana.
Ang klak ba?
Dito.
Sige, ako sa tos Gopi, bay. Yaman.
May salugin mi?
Oh. Adto, haruhit, adto ba?
Asa man sa?
Windam ba?
Ugsot ka rito eh. Paman tayo surdo.
Naabay, sweldo ka ng mag-stay dito ba? Wakakabaw?
Para mga kuwan, manager.
Ayaw.
Mga mali. TikTok.
Tanong sa TikTok daw.
TikTok
Mario
rin
is
yun.
watching TikTok right now. Yeah.
For TikTok rin yun.
Eh, bay.
Bye, sige.
Cool.
Ayaw ha.
Oo. Sige.
Sige, mati maayo.
Alright. So now it's like I'm out of that room. I'm just waiting for Gopi right now. So earlier actually it's like really pouring rain. It's just crazy. But now it's like it's good, and it's not just bad right now. A little bit. So maybe at night. So yeah, we'll see. Let me call this guy now. Gopi. I know what this thing. Hey, brother.
Ready?
Oh, ready, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome back.
You take your car or? Okay. So you just cut the line also. That's crazy. Yeah. It's a 4-stroke Yamaha. Yeah, I just wait this guy. I think he's coming out. So we'll see. This is gonna be my second time of storm actually staying at the Wyndham. I remember this is like 2011, I think. So that's what I stay also at the Wyndham. So this guy is here. That's Gopi. Hey man.
Let's go, let's rock the place.
All right, man, let's go. There we go. Now we're moving to the Wyndham with Gopi. So
So-
me and Gopi will.
Tony is going to ride now
All right,
to Wyndham.
let's start. So I will not play the music right now because we have to listen this music, this rain.
今日は9月26
Yeah,
日
I understand this
月曜日です
Japanese. The earlier they start like really pouring rain, man. I thought that they just start already. So but luckily now it's just like slowing down.
Maybe from tomorrow it'll be
So
like.
I don't know, maybe from tomorrow or maybe from tonight.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll be there in the balcony.
I'm sure.
Always.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Facing
Watching all
yeah,
these
all the stuffs.
all this stuff.
Right
See, look
on.
at this rain right now. So, and in fact, some of these guys messaged me yesterday asking me, is it a place message to the resort, message to the reservation actually, because I don't know exactly when is that next week, And I said, I don't know when is the further notice because they will give us a notice to open up, but I don't know when is that. So you
So
guys
we need
can-
to wait.
you can just check at the reservation. I think, man, I'm not really 100% sure. Maybe Tuesday will call us. I don't know. Put it back.
Maybe
every time.
like we can't able to do all together.
Which one?
One by day by maybe 2 days.
Yeah,
Slow and slow.
slow. This is the Tuca right now. Tuca
You
is
guys
just-
open now.
It's open now, but
But
so
they close.
quiet.
But they close
Hey,
now.
look at this Alvin. Alvin is
close.
like standing at the rain.
They close.
Yeah, man.
These
So-
guys are go crazy.
Yeah.
They open in the morning and they close now.
Yeah, they open in the morning and they close now. Well, my board mate, now he just like driving to Rampant. I don't know what he's doing in the Rampant right now. And it's like pouring rain, so I don't know. See, look at this beach right now. You cannot see the beach, right? It's done, man. It's
No,
missing.
Maybe
Wait
enough.
until this rain will fall down and then you can
And
see
then you
how
can see
much
that- yeah.
how much is the rain.
Enjoying his vacation.
His vacation.
Stress?
Imagine this island is so small. So you can take a chance, because this island really small. And those days when I tried. So now we are at the window.
Oh, Yago already came, man.
Oh, Chago is the man.
So-
we just parked outside. Now?
So you're not going to park it over there?
No, we have
Later.
to park somewhere. We have to park somewhere, man. I will not park here. I'll park somewhere else.
Just pass it now,
Yeah,
and
just
then we
off.
reach the
We
Wyndham.
reach the window. So,
So soon we are going to go
Yeah.
inside.
and now we are at the Wyndham. Oh, this guy. So this is the full story, full story. Yeah. It's still raining. Yeah, man.
How are you, sir?
Good. That's me, Charlene. Wala.
Nandiyan po.
Diyan.
Abo.
Say me hi. That's me. Hi is here. I'm in the. I tried to take this hurricane today. Yeah. I just tried to take this hurricane, man.
What hurricane? It's not happening anything.
There is rain.
Recording now?
There's rainfall. Yeah. Rainfall. There's the beginning.
Tony is going to get the car now, and he's going to park. And there he comes with his car. There you go. So it's like quite a long walk over there from here. And here is Tony. Here you go, this way. And we have a nice beach view as well with this room. And there is coming, Tony. As well, just walking over there. Welcome to Wyndham, Mr. Tony.
Thank you, sir.
There you go. We are going to reach now. 209A. Welcome to Wyndham.
Come 9A or B?
A.
A and B or just A?
Just A. Turn on the lights here. Here we go. So we have a nice room.
Just the window.
And this is
Nice,
our
huh?
room.
Everything is here. It's here. We're gonna see outside.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah.
We can go out?
You can't because this is shuttered. So you can just go in front now.
Oh my god. So we can't sit in the balcony?
Huh?
We can't sit in the balcony?
No.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Empty?
Empty.
Alright.
That's it. This is our room. We do have angles as well.
So now we're all going up, going out actually. Just get ready of the storm tonight. So this is our room over here for tonight. Most probably Guppy is here, and they have another bed in there too. So yeah. So this most probably that's outside, and this is the veranda. So that's all you can see tonight. So I tried to cover whatever like storm tonight, if that is gonna be coming tonight. So we'll see. And this is the bathroom. It's really clean, ready for the guests. And this our water to drink tonight. And that's all glass, and then you can open up, and there's the veranda outside. But for now, there's a shutter. There's a shutter actually that you cannot open right now because well, we just make sure that everything's closed for whenever it comes tonight. And this is the extra bed for whoever here. Maybe Gopi is gonna be here tonight, so that's gonna be the extra bed. And then you can just put it back like that. And there's another one also in that corner, so probably like 3-person. Really good for a 3-person over here. Look at that art down there. It's really nice, right? Now, since I can take my drinks vlogging, so I had to take something actually because we're closed now for running 2 weeks actually because of the situation right now. So we'll see. Let's go down. I'll bring you down and what we can see down. So we are in the 2nd floor. Just to make it ready, we are close to the elevator actually. Let's see if this elevator is working. It's not working, just to make sure that everything's not working. And that's, I parked my car in that corner. Waiting? That's Gopi is waiting for me.
No.
Hey man, let's go down.
Take from here, don't take this one.
Yeah.
Edit.
Hey. Yeah. So let's go. Let's see the pool area. And there we go. So now it's like really clear. Nobody's here for now actually because we're close. Or we are about to open actually yesterday, but we have a hurricane warning, and then I think now the hurricane's like goes down to tropical depression. So everything has a shutter. All the room has a shutter. Like everything. There's one is still not. Maybe somebody's staying in that room right now. So everything here, shutter, and the 2nd floor, same things. And it's like, oh, this is the situation right now. The one, this after the storm. But we'll see tomorrow because the storm is coming on the way. And this is our swimming pool down here. And that is Roel.
Oh, Ryan.
Hey. Hey, my friend, how are you, man? This guy's working hard for many days and he's the one only working, so he's collecting all the dollars for now. He's just smiling and take it slow, and you know how it works. Hey,
Get out.
say, shut out. Hey, shut up, ka.
Morning.
This guy is working hard every day. So anything broken, anything has to fix, just call his name and he'll be there. Not right away maybe, but maybe another 10 minutes, 30 minutes, so an hour. So this is the situation right now. You can jump in the swimming pool. The swimming pool is really clean because nobody's jumping right now. Yeah, look at this. Gopi, you want to swim? Swim, man.
Early morning.
Huh? Hey, there's no early morning. There's your chance right now, man. Don't laugh, man. This is your chance right now, my friend. So, let's go there. And this is the beach right now. So nice. See, the weather is still nice. Looks nice. See that? The bar is empty. No chair, no nothing. And Gopi is walking by. And there's all the rooms as a shutter. Really clean. Look at this beach right now. Really clean, right? Yeah. Very clean. They start getting damaged because the wave start pumping in. See, look at the restaurant down there. Like shutter. Everything like has like really strong cover up. Hey, what can you say, man? Everything is good? Light is good?
Everything is good soon. I hope by next week we'll be opening the.
Yeah, hopefully, man.
So
Yeah.
The weather is good for sure.
So we want to open up this place back again. If you want coconut, just climb this tree over here. See? See, over here, like all has a shutter, and the bar is empty right now. And this is supposed to be our beach bar, but look at this right now. No, it's not the beach bar right now. It's like nothing. So it's cover up, ready for. I'm gonna give you a glimpse tomorrow also. What we have tomorrow. So see, look at that. It's so nice, really nice. Yeah, that's all. But I cannot make the drinks right now because this bar is totally empty. Empty. Even the machine is out. Even the machine of this bar is out right now. So on the sink and one of the washing machine, and I think it can be moved because it's like lots of has to like screw out. So Gopi is enjoying for now.
Right.
So,
This is the time to enjoy.
yeah, time to enjoy and relax. But I don't think so. Tonight we can relax. We have to think about this weather actually for tonight. So nice, so clean. Yeah, let's go. And this is gonna be, hey, this is for today actually, and then I'm gonna give you update what's going on next. So let's see how it goes. All right. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe again my YouTube channel, Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page, and then my YouTube channel. All right, Naked Mixology. Thank you so much. Hey, day 2 of staying in the resort with Gopi. So, okay. This guy, all the water is ready,
Everything is good.
and our breakfast.
Breakfast is good.
This breakfast,
Tuna sandwich.
tuna sandwich, porridge, and some granola. So it's not bad.
Want to take one more? Take one.
Yeah.
Take one.
No, thanks, man.
No, I don't.
Okay. So soon we go out and see what's going on outside. Okay. All right. Let us eat first. Cool. Yeah. So this is the day 2 now. We're staying from the resort. I'll say the breeze start picking up a little bit. It's not bad actually. What is the name of this storm again? Man? Ayan?
Yeah.
Ayan? So it's not really bad right now. It's all looks good. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. It's like everything's like clear up a little bit. There's beach on there, the same pool. See, look at that. See the breeze? Look at that. Really strong breeze. Look at the dock. Clouds start clearing up. See the water? It's really dark. See the water here. It's really dark. As you can see, that's more. Day 2 actually of staying in the resort right now with Gopi. And there's like few staff that's staying with us in the resort. And there's a maintenance guy. There's a beach area down there. And that's the merch resort next door. That's Gopi actually standing. Hey man, what do you think, man?
So as of now, we don't have any stock like holder. We'll be opening shortly. Like tomorrow we'll be opening, I guess. So since we don't have any place to clean much, so we are good to go. So hopefully, like everything is be good. I hope.
Because for now, I don't know, it's still lots of clouds, so
No, but still cloud. But I don't think so. No more rain, but still windy. That's it. Because it will be past, I guess.
our fellow is with you
Hey.
over here.
Hey.
See, this chicken. This chicken. Maybe some of this chicken was blowing away. So only one left for now. Look at that. How friendly is the chicken? And no, it's Guppy, because Guppy is always feeding this this chick.
Eagerly waiting for that.
Yeah. Live for life, man. Not live for the soup. So the bar is down there, and yeah, they're still intact, so they're still good. So nothing's big damage, you know. So it's all good. So it's like easy open, not like you have to fix a lot of things, you know, because we're ready, you know. So see the breeze down there. The good thing is that like we're ready for everything. So yeah, that's all about it. So now let's go back. I'll leave this chick alone over here. Let them enjoy. Now I'm back in the room again. Let's see. The breeze is picking up. As you can see. All the car that you can see right now in the parking lot is like all stuff that is staying here. You know. So see the breeze right now. This from the hurricane Ian. Hurricane Ian. Breeze. And this go up to the 3rd floor, by the way. The stairs go up to the 3rd floor. That's the closest area. See, look at the clouds. So merch is quiet also, you know. I'm sure there's some just this thing. But you know. Hey, now finally they open up the shutter in our veranda outside. Look at this. It looks nice, man. It looks amazing. It just opened up today. Just now, anyway, with Mr. Steve. How amazing is this? Hey, the guy, Gopi, is enjoying outside right now. See? This is what we have. Looks amazing. Look at that. Look at the view. There's Moritz. And there's the Moritz over here. And there's our pool. I'm on the top. The bar is down there. It's nice. Hey, look at that water is pumping right now. It's pumping up. Yeah. So that's the bar down there. See the clouds? Looks nice, huh? And that's it for now, I think. So, alright, that's it for now. Alright, see you next time. Thank you.